Today's recipe is Shahi Paneer. So for this recipe I have 200 grams of cubed onions. This is around 2 medium-sized onions, 200 grams of cottage cheese, also known as paneer. Here I've got 2 tablespoons of dried fenugreek leaves, also known as kasuri methi, 3 tablespoons of room temperature yogurt. Here I've got 175 ml of lukewarm milk, or you can even say 3/4 of a cup, 50 grams of whole cashews. Here I've got 12 cloves of garlic. This is around 1 bulb of garlic. Here I've got 1 piece of ginger. This is 7 grams of ginger. Here I've got 3 whole green cardamoms, 2 whole cloves, and a tablespoon of peppercorn. Plus I've got small green chilies. These are really spicy, so I've used 5 of them, but you can use as per your taste. Also, I will be using butter for this recipe, and I will also be using some cream at the end of the recipe. Here in this plate, what I have here is 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, and a piece of cinnamon stick. So what I will be doing with these spices is I will be placing it in my muslin cloth. If you have a cheesecloth, you can use that as well. And then I will place it tied as a bundle, and then place it in my onion while it's cooking. And the reason I do this is because I don't want to use these spices directly into my gravy, because it will change the color of my gravy. So best is I add this, and it will add flavor to my gravy as well. So let's start making the potli. So here I will place my fennel seeds, my cumin seeds, coriander seeds, black cardamom, bay leaf, and everything. If you have a square cloth, that would be better. So I'll just gather it all around. And I've got a twine here, so I will be tying this cloth with a twine. This is your potli, which is ready to use. Now let's start cooking. Let's check. It's been exactly 3 minutes since this has been cooking, and you can see the paneer is ready to serve. Now what I'll do is I'll remove it to my serving dish, and There I'll add a little butter and a little cream over the top. I'll just place the paneer in my serving dish. What I'll do is I'll just top it up with little butter. This is complete optional. And if you want, you can add a little bit of cream. You can serve this paneer dish with rice or even naans. For the recipes of recipe ideas of rice and naan, I'll post the links in the description box below. Shahi paneer is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for notification of my latest videos, and thank you for watching. Enjoy!